If you want that clean ultra-wide look on Snapchat without dealing with a bunch of settings or confusing menus, here's the simplest way to turn it on. It works instantly and gives your snaps a wider, more cinematic feel. Start by opening Snapchat just like you normally would and stay on the main camera screen. Look at the right side of the viewfinder and you'll spot a small button labeled 1x. That's a zoom toggle. Tap it once and it will switch to either 0.5x or 2x, depending on the lenses your phone has. If your device includes an ultra-wide lens, Snapchat automatically activates it when switching to the 0.5x option, giving you a much wider field of view. If you want even more control, place 2 fingers on the screen and pinch in or out. This lets you smoothly zoom instead of jumping between preset zoom levels. Some phones even let you zoom all the way up to 6 times, depending on the hardware. Once you switch to ultra-wide or adjust your zoom, take a second to reframe your shot. Because ultra-wide lenses capture more of the scene, Snapchat may shift focus, adjust lighting, or slightly crop depending on how you move your phone. A quick adjustment ensures your shot looks exactly the way you want. After that, you're ready to snap photos or record videos with that dramatic wide-angle look. It's a super easy upgrade that makes your snaps stand out and gives everything a more dynamic feel. Enjoy experimenting with it and see which angles look best on your phone.